So today we will discuss about homosexuality in Vedic astrology. This person, Rudy Galindo, he he was suffering from a major disease called AIDS, and he's gay. So and his chart is here, and this is his chart. As you can see, he's a Libra ascendant, and he's a gay. So now let's see what causes homosexuality. Homosexuality is actually a possession. For example, a man is attracted towards another man, and a woman is attracted towards another woman. This is happening because the man is possessed by a woman, and the woman is possessed by a man. So they behave like opposite genders. So this is a kind of possession. It's a problem of Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra is eighth house. This is the eighth house. This is Muladhara chakra. When the Muladhara chakra has the problem, it results in possession. It gives even disease like AIDS is caused due to problem in Muladhara chakra. Basically, second house is where we eat, and eighth house is excretion. So, and eighth house is Scorpio. Natural eighth house is ruled by Scorpio or Mars, and excretion. And we can see the function of Muladhara chakra. Just let us search Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra actually controls the excretion in our body, and that's why we sometimes get constipation due to problem in Muladhara chakra. As you can see, this Muladhara chakra, and Mars rules the Muladhara chakra. Organs controlled. Here you can see the organs that are controlled by this. The functioning of the organs that are controlled by Muladhara chakra are prostate glands, womb, sex, excretion, smell. So excretion is controlled by Muladhara chakra, and eighth house is the excretion in Vedic astrology. So eighth house is actually Muladhara chakra, and when Muladhara chakra has the problem, then diseases like AIDS also comes in life. Now see here. This is an article on homosexuality. Now this homosexuality is caused due to hypothalamus. That pressure is definitely there in the hypothalamus, no doubt. Now this is due to problem in hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is actually is in the brain. It controls the functioning of the brain. Hypothalamus. You can search in Google. Acts as your body's smart control coordinator center. And so homosexuality is caused due to problem in hypothalamus. And since hypothalamus is associated with the brain, so Mercury is associated. Basically, Mercury is associated with hypothalamus. Now, you can see here distances from Mrityu Bhaga. Now, this person, as you can see, his Mercury falls under Mrityu Bhaga. So, Mercury is a major problem for him. And his fifth house also fall under Mrityu Bhaga. and Saturn rules the fifth house. Now, fifth house when falls under Mrityu Bhaga, that's the problem. Fifth, then there's the problem for children. You cannot have kids, and also Mercury is associated with, as I mentioned, hypothalamus. So brain has the problem, and when brain hypothalamus has the problem, then it gives homosexuality, as you can see here, and that is the major reason this person is suffering from homosexuality. But there is, but his Muladhara chakra has also the problem, and Muladhara chakra is eighth house, and Mars rules the Muladhara chakra. Now the major problem is that his Saturn is placed in the seventh house. Saturn, seventh house is Swadhisthana chakra. So he has two major problems: Swadhisthana chakra and the Muladhara chakra. Now, now, since Saturn is debilitated in the seventh house, now let's see if Saturn is in seventh house, then what problem the person will face. We will see this in Kala Chakra chart. Just see base planet and division. By default, the Kala Chakra is shown with respect to Sun in this free Jagannath Aura software. Okay, but we need to look the Kala Chakra chart with reference to Saturn. This is the reference point, Indra power. This Indra power is the reference point. It's called the reference point of Kala Chakra chart. Currently, this Kala Chakra chart is with reference to Lagna, as his Lagna is in Swati Nakshatra. Now let's make the Kala Chakra chart with respect to Saturn. And why we are making with respect to Saturn? Because we want to know if Saturn is debilitated in the seventh house in his chart, then what problem he could face. Now, as you can see, if we make the Saturn as a reference point, then, or we can say if Saturn is debilitated in the seventh house, then his Sun and Venus will fall under Yama death. Means it simply means if Saturn is in seventh house, then Venus and Sun will not function. They will not give their results. Because they are falling under Yama death. Yama means Yama death is the highly malefic category, and the planets lose their significance and give bad results. And Venus rules his eighth house of Muladhara chakra. Since eighth house is Muladhara chakra, so Muladhara chakra will not function properly because Venus rules Muladhara chakra. And Sun will also not function. And Sun is the natural significator of the fifth house of love and romance and children. So that will also be not possible. Now, if Saturn is in, also if you see, if Saturn is in seventh house in Bharani Nakshatra, then Mars falls under Varuna, suffering foreign things. This is the major cause because Mars is afflicted. Suffering foreign things means some foreign entity is there in his body, which is nothing but possession. There is some kind of possession, like he is a man, so he might be possessed by a woman. And this is called suffering foreign things. It means there is some foreign entity in him, foreign soul inside his body. Because Mars is placed under suffering foreign things. So he is possessed in Muladhara chakra. And because Mars rules the Muladhara chakra. And that is the measure, that is also the reason he is suffering from homosexuality. So this is it. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.